pleasure as well. All right.
So this is a big deal
Yeah.
for me because it's just been the recordings happening as I've been able to do them, and because orchestra music is something I really like doing, and I'm self-taught, and so it's all been a process towards this, and I'm very lucky that PARMA has agreed to re-release these recordings because a lot of them have been released before. So this is a really cool thing to do, a solo CD of all of them in one package. So cool. I already know it sounds great and it's great.
Never guess what we got you.
This is a really cool one, you know. So Bob, we were trying to figure out when the first recording in Russia was.
Oh, that was
Which is when I
What's
first.
it?
2011. So that was, what was 2012? No, 2011. 2011.
In Russia?
No, it was 2010.
2010, so then the Czech Republic would have been 2011?
Yeah. I think.
Oh, wow. This is great.
Yeah, that sounds right.
This album is dedicated to my husband, Mark,
That's me.
who opened my heart with his invitation to dance and has enriched my life. Can you finish reading? Beyond all measure. I'm so thankful for traveling on this life journey with him. I would also like to thank, wait a minute, I can't read. Send thanks to, extend special thanks to Jared, who, for his true friendship and personal generosity and belief in my music. And thanks also to Bob Lord and the PARMA team, who have always been so respectful of my work. I am very grateful.
We are too. Thank you very much. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you, Susan.
Hey, congratulations. Great day for you. It's a great day.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.